Hey, how's it going guys? Developer Don here, so about the video. In today's video we're going to be creating the next 3 commands for the advanced moderation system. That'll be unban, timeout, and purge. Unban means you unban someone from the server, you let them back in. Timeout means you put them on timeout, they're unable to join a voice chat and talk. And purge means you delete messages from a certain channel, or you delete it from a certain user within a certain channel. So you're going to go ahead and copy ban. You're going to come down here and get rid of this comma, and then you're going to come down and paste it. You're going to change ban to unban, and you're going to change bans a user to unbans a user. Who are you unbanning? Reason for the unban. Alright, and then you want to put down another one once we've unindented it. This is so great of it denting itself. Right. I will find a quicker way to unindent it all. I don't know the hotkey shortcuts for Visual Studio Code. However, I will figure it out and I will use it in the next episode because it is rather irritating. Because we've got to unindent it all. It's because we haven't put brackets around these options and then put it in an arrow function. We just put it straight in an arrow function. So it decides to break it. So we got unban and we want timeout. Times out a user. Who are you timing out? Reason for the timeout. And we are going to add another option. It'll be a string option. We can just copy this, paste it here. I'm going to change the reason to duration. And this will be duration of the timeout. Max is 28D. Alright, and we're going to paste in another subcommand. Unindent it all once again. There we go, that's so much quicker. Alright. Now, you're going to change this to purge. This will be clears messages from a channel or a certain user in a channel. Alright, target, this will be set to false, which means we need to copy this, get rid of it, and paste it down below, as required options have to go before non-required options, otherwise it throws a hissy fit. Alright, we don't want the reason, we want the amount. We're going to change this to amount of messages to be deleted. And then target, this will be who are you deleting messages from. Alright, now you can add your comma back. Now we've done that, we are going to work on the unban first. So we can copy this. Copy, paste it down here. Alright, we're going to change this to unban. We're going to change this to unban. Successfully unbanned the user. Unbanned by. Unban reason. We can get rid of this. And we can get rid of this. And then that's it. We're going to change this to unban, just so you don't get confused. Alright, now we can copy this once again, and we are now going to do timeout. So we're going to change this unban to timeout, type timeout, const timeout, boom boom boom, here it is, timeout. Alright, we can get rid of that, and this will be timed out by, successfully timed out the user, timeout reason. Alright, so now we've made that, we've got the basis of it. So up here we need to do a couple of things. We need to do an if not ms duration or ms duration ms 28d. Alright, return an interaction dot reply. The content will be, you cannot time out someone for longer than 28 days. Alright, we're going to do if not id.moderatorable or not id.manageable. You want to return an interaction.reply. This user is not able to be timed out. Alright, and now we want to put it in speech marks and we want to do content. Alright, so now we've done that, down here we are going to go down a couple of lines. We're going to do id.timeout, ms duration, comma, reason, and that's it. If we really wanted to, we can copy this, get rid of it, do a .then function, open it up, paste that in there, and then we can do a .catch error. And we're going to open this up in an arrow function. With that, we're going to do interaction .reply content could not time out the user due to an unknown error. Alright, and then we're going to console.log error occurred with the timeout system \n comma error. Okay, and last but not least, we now have purge. We can copy this unban. Alright, timeout, we don't need ban members, we need moderate members. Okay, right, down here we need to change unban to purge, I believe I called it. Let's have a look. Purge, yep. Okay, this would be manage messages. Alright, so with this we do not need a warn model. However, we don't need this either, actually. I don't believe we need any of this. So what we're going to do first is const amount equals interaction.options.getString, and this will be amount. Alright, pretty simple, pretty easy. Const messages equals await interaction.channel.messages.fetch. Const response equals new embed builder dot set color to random. Alright, we're going to do if amount, oh I can't spell, is greater than 100 or amount is less than or equal to 0. We are going to open this up. We're going to do response dot set description. This will be set to amount cannot exceed 100 but cannot be lower than 1. Alright, we're going to return an interaction dot reply embeds response. Okay, right. If user, we're going to open this up. Let I equal 0. Const filtered equals an empty array. We're going to await messages dot filter m double bracket, open an arrow function. If m dot author author dot id equals user dot id and amount greater than or equal to 1, we are going to open up another function. It'll be filter dot push m and it will be I++. Alright, so now we're going to come out of here, go a couple lines down, staying in the if user. We're going to do await interaction.channel.bulk delete filtered true. Alright, we're going to do .then message. We're going to open up another arrow function. we're going to do response.setDescription. We can give it a little emoji. Let's do clean. Give it a sponge. Successfully cleared / deleted amount messages from user. Alright, and we're going to interaction.reply embeds response. Okay, right, so all we need to do here is copy this and do an else function. And in here we're going to paste this. We're going to change filtered to amount, and we are going to get rid of from user. Alright, so that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on. Part 3 will be out tomorrow, same time this is live, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one.